How to use Whiteboard during a meeting on Zoom. To use Whiteboard during meeting on Zoom, it's very simple for us to do that. Launch the Zoom application, and let's say that you're inside a certain meeting, so you hit the start button over there. So once you hit the start button, this is the interface that you should be able to see. Now you want to use Whiteboard because maybe you're a professor or a teacher, or you're trying to explain something. It would be easier by drawing something. So you tap on the meeting, and at the bottom you can see various options. You can see the option that says Whiteboards. So tap on this Whiteboard button. You can select New Whiteboard and just tap on it. Now you can see a whiteboard will be displayed in front of you. It will prepare your whiteboard experience, and now you can just type in whatever you want, and other people, whoever is currently on this meeting, is actually being able to see whatever you're sharing on your whiteboard right here. So this way you can use Whiteboard. You can see a couple of text if you want in a bit bolder, something like that. You can change the color if you want in a bit of a lighter color as well. And you can also use some eraser if you want to, and then you should be able to end this whiteboard if you want, but you can see we're still in the meeting. So this way you can go ahead and then basically use a whiteboard during a Zoom meeting. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.